Chipotle peppers are smoked and dried jalapeno peppers used to create this chunky barbecue sauce with a rich earthy taste that is both smoky and spicy, tangy and sweet. Start by browning your onions. Then add your garlic and saute for 30 seconds more. Transfer this to a food processor or a blender, along with your remaining ingredients. You can add 2 to 3 peppers or the whole can. Transfer to a saucepan. Cover and heat over low heat. This sauce is wonderful on grilled chicken. If grilling isn't an option, you can sear your chicken on all sides. Searing seals in the juices by creating a caramelized crust. Then transfer your chicken to a slow cooker and cook low and slow. You can also sear in the Dutch oven, then cover and transfer it directly to the oven for cooking. However you cook your chicken, this sauce will surely spice it up. Thanks for watching, and please hit the cupcake to subscribe.